Capturing video from your airplane brings a whole new dimension to the experience of flight, as well as being able to share your adventures with others. The StrutPro from MyPilotPro brings that beauty to life. Introducing the StrutPro from MyPilotPro. It allows you to capture beautiful video footage at a unique angle, not previously possible with conventional aviation camera mounts. This mount is CNC milled from a single aluminum billet and precisely and securely fits the profile of a Cessna wing strut. It has stainless steel hardware throughout. The tube brackets are CNC milled to securely attach a lightweight aluminum tube to the mount body. It has multiple security features that ensure both the mount body and tube are securely attached. Neoprene spacers are used to virtually eliminate vibration, and it only weighs 3.25 pounds, including all hardware.